virtual clipping. In MP4 format, the standard MP4, and CBA, which was our custom format where we were able to clip more than one video feed taken as input. Clipping, this is done as it says. What this is, you go in, once you select time range, get the clip in system. All it does is it goes to the pre-existing recording from which you want to clip and marks the time in that clip and says that this is a virtual clip. It is essentially bookmark your time ranges you're interested in, and you can quickly browse to them as you need. Right? It can be both through the client and through SASD. Clips are not listed in the SASD clip management page. I will show you. Only MP4 and CVAs are listed from there. To create an MP4 clip from a virtual clip, you need to go to the VSM web UI. You cannot do it through SASD. So a couple of things there. Hopefully it fixed in the dot releases coming up. Just pointers and not taking any storage except the entries into the VSM database. These can be any length. So there's no maximum duration. It can go all the way to the duration of the recording. If you want to save the virtual clip as an MP4 file, you can only do it for 4 hours. So your time range needs to be under the 4-hour limitation that continues to exist. Clips there when your main recording goes. Right? This is done through a live demo. Going to my VSM web interface. Something slightly interesting. Well, some color. I will go to my recording. Click this. Where click, select. So it's given me these 2 buttons to play with. So I'm going to select something around 940 to 945 on the bar. So you see the out. In addition to MP4 and CVA, you can create a virtual clip. Click on that. Pre-populated the time ranges I've chosen. With the name. And that. So to view that, there's this clip button now. It's there. So you have clip search, virtual clip search. If I go to search, do a search. Scoop is the one which I did. It's a short session and not much to it. It's just put database entry in, so it doesn't take a whole lot of time to complete. But status of that there. If it was an interesting clip to me, I could just choose that. I can say generate clip, generate an MP4 for me. So I get by going to this app here, clip search, and data in the server is not doing much, so it completed the clip already. If it was a long time, it would take time, and you would see the status here. Do clipping through the VSM web UI. So we can take a available for this through SASD. And tab under forensic analysis. Let me search for my MP4 clips. So you'll see that the virtual clips are not listed here. This is a feature request which is in, which will hopefully come sooner than later. But right now through SASD, you can only view MP4 clips. You cannot view your virtual clips from here. And you can download them onto your client PC from here as well. If you had a lot of clips, you can choose a number of options through which you can search as well. We created the virtual clip with doing that through SASD. Your time range, range. Right click, create a virtual clip, it into repository. The unfortunate thing is you cannot see that through SASD. You have to go to VSM to actually see that. So that is something we are trying to address as we go forward. Quick to my VSM screen. I did clip, so the duration was this. This is the one which it created. So I can view that through my VSM web UI.